Welcome to our dashcam showdown. Today, we are comparing two impressive dash cameras, the PRUVEO 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam and the J-Zone's dashcam front and rear with 4K+1080P resolution. Both of these cameras promise to enhance your driving experience by providing comprehensive coverage and advanced features. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The PRUVEO 360-degree view dashcam offers a remarkable 4-channel configuration, providing a complete 360-degree view around your vehicle. This includes front, rear, interior, and an adjustable side view. In contrast, the J-Zone's dashcam features a 3-channel setup capturing the front, interior, and rear views. While both options provide extensive coverage, the additional channel in the PRUVEO model ensures no blind spots, making it ideal for professional drivers and those needing maximum surveillance. When it comes to video resolution, the J-Zone's dashcam takes the lead with its 4K front camera, providing stunning clarity and detail, especially during night driving. The PRUVEO model, while offering excellent coverage, is limited to 1080p across all channels. This difference can significantly impact the quality of footage captured, particularly for those who prioritize high-definition evidence in case of incidents. Both dashcams are equipped with night vision capabilities, but the J-Zone's model features the advanced STARVIS 2 sensor, which enhances clarity in low-light conditions. The PRUVEO model provides standard night vision with infrared lights, which is effective but may not match the superior performance of the STARVIS technology. For users who drive frequently at night, this could be a crucial factor in choosing the right dashcam. In conclusion, both the PRUVEO 360-degree view 4-channel dashcam and the J-Zone's dashcam front and rear offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. If you prioritize comprehensive coverage and durability, the PRUVEO is an excellent choice. However, if high video quality and advanced night vision are your top priorities, the J-Zone's model is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.